guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a qualification for a head called Document Question Relevance. This should be easy for the newbies. I'm uploading this video so it can help you out. We do have a guideline here. By the way, before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time we upload a new video. You can also join our Facebook group called CLICKWORKER Philippines and Ghost Leaders. The prerequisites are you have to subscribe to the channel and answer the membership questions. So this one should be easy. Again, we just have to judge um, if the question is a bad question or it is a relevant question. Let me go through the instructions. So this hit provides a document, namely a website, and a question. We expect the judges to rate the question answer pair as relevant, irrelevant, and bad question. The rate is bad question if the question is not an interrogative sentence or the question is incomprehensible. The rate is relevant if you can find the answer from current page besides the given answer. If you can't find other snippet can be taken as answer for the question. The rate should be relevant as well. The rate is irrelevant if you cannot find answer to the page. Let's go ahead and jump into the hit. I want to make this video really short. So for this one, unfortunately, the website does not load, so I have to open it up on a new tab. So should phones be banned from schools? Should mobile phones be banned in schools? Potential answer. Mobile phones are allowed in school and used in class at the teacher discretion with clear system of sanctions applied for misuse since the policy was introduced. um, I would say this is going to be relevant. Okay, moving on to the next. Unfortunately, we are unable to see if the answer we submitted is correct. Moving on, how did I get scoliosis as an adult? Scoliosis. Less common types of scoliosis may be caused. Um, Again, guys, the question is how did I get scoliosis as an adult? And this one does not answer the question, right? Oh, hold on a sec. Yeah, this is relevant. I'm sorry. Moving on to the next. How good is 2017 Ford Mustang? The Mustang has traditionally been lighter in carb weight. Okay, this could be relevant. Moving on to the next is what are the main problems of people in old age? The initiation process of project management includes the necessary step of getting. This is definitely irrelevant. Um, what do when? What do I do when changing addresses when moving? Go to your local post office. This is relevant as well. Now, the best pizza restaurant POS. POS stands for point of sale. Those are the machines they are using, like cash registers. Just to let you all know. Now, 11 pizza oven tools. Unfortunately, uh, from my understanding, POS is point of sale. It should be answered what the best pizza restaurant. It's going to be a bad question. Moving on to the next is which brand manufactures the best tiles for a living room? Um, the living room is one of the main rooms of the house. It comes first when you design your house. Which brand manufactures the best tiles for living room? First, let me tell you, this is going to be relevant. Mm? Moving on to the next is how would you describe epilepsy? Definitely by the answer without opening the website, using my common sense, it'll say, I'll say rather that it is relevant. Moving on to the next, what antivirus software is free? You can protect your digital life with a Vera free antivirus. That's relevant. How SSR lost Harry? Definitely a bad question. I don't understand it. So we passed the qualification. That's really awesome. Okay, so the name of this hit is Document Question Relevance. For those guys who haven't qualified for this, it's now your chance to qualify. Again, my name is Ghost. I hope this video helps you out. Again, our Facebook group is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Now, we do have a weekly challenge. We call it Earn as Much as You Can. It is a challenge to motivate everyone to work as hard as they can, as well as, again, earn as much as they could within a week. Okay, that is a challenge. There will be no rewards. It's just, a motivation for all. I do post an update about that on this channel. And again, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye for now.